Hello, welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 2017 F33 335D M Sport. The vehicle is presented in the fabulous mineral grey, features a wide array of BMW options and of course a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. You can see there the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels are in the original bi-orbit grey, the LED headlamps up front, and over the top of the car we have got the glass sunroof on this vehicle. It also comes with BMW's superb M Sport Plus package, including front and rear M Sport Plus brakes. Down the side of the car it has been kept in very nice condition, and of course thanks to that M Sport Plus package we have got the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. Inside this vehicle, been currently illuminated by all natural light of course, we've got the wonderful full black Dakota leather, and both drivers and passengers can enjoy heated and electric lumbar options. There you can see a magnificent interior, and it does come with that 8-speed sports automatic gearbox which works in conjunction with the X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. For your rear passengers, it's a very spacious, very comfortable 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a folding armrest and of course a darkened M Sport headlining. Before heading round to the very back of the car, again showing you off those lovely 19s and of course the very special M Sport Plus brakes. At the back of the car we can not only rely on front and rear parking sensors on this car, we do also have a rear facing reversing camera. And if you've not yet seen in the boot space of an F33, whilst you have a look around there and just at the space, it is of course worth mentioning we are operating under a click and collect service here at Your Next Car at the moment, and to find out more about that, all you have to simply do is follow the links down below in the description. Alongside that you can of course find out more about this wonderful car, including all of the prices and funding options available here at Your Next Car. And we shall now take a seat inside the car and run you through some more of this vehicle's options and specifications alongside some of the standard features. Starting the car up, we're greeted by a very nice professional wide navigation and media screen, and immediately you should be able to see just how much light comes into the car thanks to having that sunroof all the way open. Even still, if you pop it into the tilt, which we'll show you towards the end of the video, that still lets a nice amount of natural light in. Moving forward onto the professional wide nav, as you can see there, that also utilises real-time traffic updates to ensure you are on the fastest route possible. There you can see we've also got Bluetooth telephone and audio. We've also got, not only that, we've also got the AUX, we've got music collection, we've got online entertainment on this car, and we've also got, if we go back into the communications menu, we have also got Apple CarPlay on this vehicle, which is of course really sought after for all Apple users. And clicking into reverse, there is that very nice rear facing reversing camera. Popping back into park, the car has covered just over 44,000 miles, and we do also have full BMW service history, which again we'll quickly show you. Next service is not due for 12,000 miles, and up at service history again you can see that comprehensive full BMW history. So thank you all for taking the time to watch one of our walk arounds. I do hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. If you would of course like to find out more about this vehicle, simply, as I've mentioned, follow the links down below, and we shall of course look forward to hearing and hopefully seeing yourselves very soon. Do of course take care. Thanks. Bye bye.